as an actor, I enjoy my job and I love acting. And so wherever there's something great that comes my way, I like to go for it. A lot of situations that Agastya has gone in his life goes in the life are quite a few of those instances have happened with me too in my life. Hi, you're watching me on Peeping Moon. No, there was no pressure, and I think was I don't know if it was a good thing or a bad thing, but because I hadn't seen the show before, and then when I got to know that the first two seasons had done so well, and I was really happy about it, and you know. And also, this season is nothing as similar to the first two seasons. So there is no shoes that I feel that I'm filling into because it's a completely different season, and it's not the same story moving forward. It's a new story altogether, and yes. I'm happy that people had so much love to give to the first two seasons, and I really hope that they happen to share the same kind of love over here too. Well, it is. I don't know. Yeah, it just gets slightly. It's tricky because for someone that like me, I haven't done scenes like those on camera. So to get yourself filmed is slightly tricky. But scenes that are cut, I really don't know of the ones that are cut. I don't know because. Yeah, I don't know about the scenes being cut, so I can't really say much about that. But yes, it does. It doesn't get uncomfortable, but it is. I don't know. Means it's tricky. Yeah. I don't know if was not in my plans. Maybe I was not on the plans of Bollywood. So yeah, but I'm very happy doing my OTT. So I'm very happy with this. Well, very honestly, when I was offered Broken but Beautiful, when we went for the story, and when I heard the story, I just loved the storyline and I could relate to it. And that's actually one of the biggest reasons why I went ahead for the show. Very, very excited, nervous at the same time because one doesn't know how people are going to, take you, accept you, not accept you, and the kind of job that you want to do, you want it to be different from what you've been doing regularly, and this is different. But for people to accept you, in a different avatar, yes. So yeah, nervous and also excited at the same time. No, actually, for me, the medium really doesn't make much of a difference simply because as an actor, I enjoy my job and I love acting. And so, wherever there's something great that comes my way, I like to go for it. And talking about OTT, yes, it is the next big thing now. And I see a lot of people getting onto it now, and now, unfortunately, for the times that we are in, there is not a lot of content that's there out on television, and so OTT is another way forward. And I just feel it's amazing that there's so much more that you can do in this space, and yeah, and it takes us all in, so that's great. Yeah. Similarities between Siddharth. Yeah, pretty much. I mean, yes, to an extent, yes. A lot of situations that Agastya has gone in his life goes in the life are quite a few of those instances have happened with me too in my life, and so I could relate to it, and yeah, that was the fun part of it. Yes, guys, I guess we all need to stay home. I know it just gets slightly boring at times and it gets frustrating at times, but we don't have a choice. The pandemic's huge, and also that, at this point, we haven't learned much about the virus. So we see it's best that we stay indoors and really not get out that much. And yeah, and not just for our safety, just for the safety of everybody at home. It's best that we stay in and just stay glued to OTT.